guys, and welcome back to my channel today. This is the first video that I'm posting for 2020. I'm really excited to be back filming videos, but today I thought that I would film a little video of making a 2020 vision board. So I have seen many different YouTubers do this. The one that inspired me the most was Amber Shoal. She is a YouTuber that is amazing. She's so good, I love her so much. And she does a 2020 vision board every single year, and then at the end of the year she reflects and talks about if she met those goals and basically making them come true. So she talks about the law of attraction, and she states that, you know, the more, if you look at it every single day and you have your goals written out, or you know, you visually have your goals in front of you, that you're more likely to achieve those goals, and you're more likely to put in more effort to achieve those goals. I have got some of my goals and stuff all printed out. I just printed them out with the printer, and I've got some colored card, and I'm gonna cut them out and stick them on my board, and then basically talk about my goals and all that. So off camera, I'm going to go cut them all out, put them on the board, and then I will show you and explain my goals. So yeah, I think this is really cool. I've never done this before, but I'm really excited to, because like I said, there's so many goals that I want to achieve this year. I bought a diary. One of my goals is to use a diary, because I buy a diary every single year and I'm not proud of it, but I never use it, and it's so frustrating. So I bought a diary, which I'll get and I'll show you. And yeah, this year I'm just really determined to be organized and everything. So basically I have been carrying around this little bag. I really want to get the Ted Baker tote bag, so I might get the Ted Baker tote bag and replace this, but in the meantime it's just literally a shopping bag that I found. And in this bag I have been carrying around things like my diary. So this is my diary for 2020. Last year for 2019 I had this like bright sparkly pink one. So this year I just wanted to be more sleek, and I saw this at Target and I thought it'd be cute, and I of course added my little pink bit with a clip. Yeah, no, it's really good so far. I've been writing in it, but yeah, it's only been like 2 weeks of 2020. Oh, so weird saying that. Ugh. So yeah, that is one of my goals, is to use this thing. Oh, what else I have in this bag is my pencil case. I have a cute little mermaid pencil case. I just like carrying this whole bag with me, so that I'm always set and I always have everything. So say if I need to write in my diary or I need to jot something down, I have my pencil case, and in my pencil case I just have like cute little highlighters. I got like donut, pineapple, flamingo, just cute little highlighters. And then I've just got like pens and random stuff in there. Let me know in the comments below if you wanted to do a back to school video. I'm in uni, but it's the same thing, getting books, pens. So if you want me to do a back to school / back to uni video, comment down below and let me know. Also got these pens, which are so cute. They like, you have like a little stand, and they're like the best pens. I love them so much. I'm really upset because I had like this cute little sparkly pencil case, and I had 2 packs of these. One pack was my flamingo pack, and the other one was my ocean pack, and I lost it. These are damn expensive, but I think I'm gonna buy it again. It's so annoying though, because like, I have to spend more money and buy it again, but it is worth it. So I also, one of my goals, I'm gonna go through my goals once I do my vision board, but this is just like quickly, is to read. I've already read a book. I've already finished a book, and I'm on to my 2nd book of the year. This one is Odd Thomas, and it's basically, I've read like that much so far, not too much. But I carry this with me, and any chance I get to read, I do, because I just love reading. It's like a murder mystery book. I only read murder mystery books because I get really bored easy, and then I won't read it. So yeah, it's all that keeps me entertained, I don't know. And last, I have this cute little peach book, and basically I write, you know, things about my sew for like YouTube videos. If I have an idea, this bag is always with me, so I'm just like, oh, that'd be a good YouTube video, and just quickly write it down. And now I'm going to get onto the vision board. Let's go. Okay, so I am back and I've made my vision board, and I've made a lot of mess. My whole beauty room is just trashed with like rubbish at the moment. But here is my vision board. Just quickly, I still need to stick them down a bit better, but I'm losing sunlight and I need to film this video. So this is my 2020 vision board. So I've filled it up with a lot of things. I stuck them first on pink paper and cut them out with a pink border, just so it matches like my aesthetic, because I love pink. And if you're wondering what these little stickers are on them, I was looking at the board and I was like, oh, like this is me. However, I just wanted to put these cute stickers because it's basically a little signal to be like, lighten up, you know, smile at the little things, because they're little like pushing, it's this little chubby cat and it's so cute. Okay, let's get started into explaining some of these. So what I do is I picked like a main quote and I put that right in the center, and I'm basically gonna like revolved everything around that. So the quote is, it says 2020 goals: break a bad habit, learn a new skill, visit a new place, face a new fear, take a new risk, and try something different. Try something new. So that's in the middle. The next thing I have is like two couples holding hands, and that just signifies me and John Luke growing up together, moving forward in life together. I also have a bag. It's a Louis Vuitton bag. I've got one here and one there because I don't have a Louis Vuitton bag and I want to treat myself. That's a goal that I want to get that. I do DIYs. I save money in other places, but when it comes to bags, I just don't think I can do it. So next I have a thing that I have photoshopped, and it's my brand Body by Selena Rose that I'm going to be launching this year. That's there, and I photoshopped 100 followers because my goal is to have 100 followers on that by the end of the year. Yeah, it's just there to keep me going. Amber always would Photoshop what she'd want to see. For example, it says that I've got 1,000 subscribers up there. I don't, but that is my goal. By the end of this year, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. So she said, why don't Photoshop it so you can see it every day and it pushes you and motivates you. So that's what I did, 1,000 subscribers. If you want, you can subscribe now and make my dream come true earlier. I also have a plane, and this here is like a lake and a beach and stuff, is because I want to travel. This year I want to go on a holiday. I'm determined. I love holidays and I want to go on one by the end of this year. I have, if you're probably wondering like why is it just a random like container, is because I want to have all of my things that are not being used in my room or beauty room in containers ready, so that if not saying that I am, but if I was to move out, everything is in neat, tidy boxes, ready to go, and just to be neat and tidy, so everything's in boxes, labeled. I just want to, you know, have that clean, and yeah. I also have DIY, because I want to do more DIY things, which I already have this year. I've DIY'd my makeup brush holder. I can insert some photos here, I'll show you later. I've already done like so many DIYs this year, so I'm really proud of myself. It's been like 2 weeks. But yeah, so I want to do more DIYs. I have a couple more quotes. One of them is self-doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. I believe in that, and that's what I want this year to be revolved around, is around growth and all that. I have another quote that says, in 2020, I only want to be around the people who love me, not the ones who pretend they do. Really glad that I know who my friends are right now, and I'm so happy. And yeah, I have another quote saying, I love this quote so much. It says, she silently stepped out of the race that she never wanted to be in, found her own lane and proceeded to win. Do more this year. I want to go further, reach new goals, and I don't know, I just feel like that quote's really cute and I really liked it. Another one is, you become what you believe. I really like that quote. You're probably wondering why I've got money. I just have that there, so it's like save, Selena, save. I've got another little cute little saying, which is don't let little stupid things break your happiness, which is so true. That's why I've got these cute little stickers. They're so adorable. I love them. I've got a few more. I've got Pulse 24 Fitness, which is the gym that I go to. Unfortunately, I quit dance this year because I wanted to pursue more with YouTube. I've got uni, I'm working, and now I'm going to be starting my own business, and unfortunately I just couldn't divide myself up. But I do want to go to gym, and I do want to work on my body a little bit more. I want to tone it up a little bit more, and it's just good to go to the gym and be physically active because it's really healthy. And that ties in with, I've got this little food, it's like a little heart. I just want to eat better in general. I want to cook more food. I want to learn how to cook more. I want to be able to make more things. And yeah, and then last I've got cleaning supplies, and that's just because I want to keep my room and beauty room spotless. That is another one of my goals. Yeah, I just want to keep everything tidy, and yeah. So I'll give you, oh, and how could I forget that? I also have this pink thing. It has like a Chanel tray, and it's just like a pink aesthetic, and that's the goal that I want to. I have an Instagram account called Creative Little Cupcake. I will link it here. And I just post, you know, photos of my bedroom, photos of like pink aesthetic things. So yeah, I use that account to just go crazy because I don't want to annoy people on my regular account. So that's my account where I just go crazy, and it's just Selena everywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much my board. It's so cute. I'll give you a closer look. Ooh. So yeah, that is my board. I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy that I found these little stickers. They're so cute. They really put like a little Selena twist on there. And yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I can't wait to show you guys the Pink Palace, I've decided to call it. So it was Winter Wonderland for Christmas, and now it's going to be the Pink Palace. So I have basically revamped this room and taken all the Christmas decorations down and basically put pink everywhere. So I'm going to do a vlog that basically, you know, shows the room and everything, so I can't wait for that. I'm going to be doing a Wish video. I bought some clothes off of Wish and they've come in, and I can't wait to do that. It's going to be hilarious. And yeah, I'm excited. I've got some exciting videos for you guys coming up. So if you are interested in my future videos and you like this video, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and please comment. It means the world to me. I go and reply to all of them. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Instead of doing the hair thing, I'm gonna do this. Bye!